I'm getting ready to go to downtown Vancouver. Check out how busy it is because tonight, Taylor Swift is holding her second Eras Tour concert here in Vancouver. She's actually going to hold 3 nights. That's the finale for her entire Eras Tour, and it's being held in Vancouver, so we are so proud. I am personally so proud that she's holding in our city. And so I know it's crazy out there, the roads are blocked, but the thing is, the weather is suddenly good. It was supposed to be rainy. It was raining earlier in the morning, and now it's sunny. You can probably see some sun there, so I'm so excited. So I have my own little blingy top. Well, I'm old, so I can't have all those, like, whatever. But I actually have my own little, if I really need to. Nah, okay. Or because it's very cold, I got my blingy toque. I never really know how to put this properly. So some ladies, I see they wear it so good, but I think I never wear it right. But I think I'm Taylor ready. Me and my own little me, 63-year-old me. So I'm going to take the public commute because I don't want to drive into Vancouver knowing it's going to be so busy and knowing the roads are blocked. So I'm so ready to go to downtown Vancouver and check out how amazing it is, how crazy it is, because tonight is Taylor Swift's night 2 of her Eras Tour concert, and the finale of her entire Eras Tour is being held here in Vancouver. So I'm so proud. And so I know it's going to be busy, roads are blocked, but you know what? I'm going to treat myself to some coffee, maybe macarons on the side, maybe a muffin, and I'm going to have to look for donuts because I love donuts. And then I'm going to share some photos and videos, brought my camera and all that stuff, and my selfie stick. See you later. Okay, well, it's almost 3 p.m. and I'm on my way to downtown Vancouver. I'm going downtown Vancouver and I'm ready to see what's going on. It's night 2 of Taylor Swift's Eras Tour concert. See you later. Well, I'm in line to have my photo taken beside the anti-hero structure, and I'm at the Jackpool Plaza.
The Eras Tour!
What's your most expected, like, biggest surprise you're expecting today?
I am so excited to see Lover live.
Woo! Here you go! You have fun!
We will!
Okay, so I'm walking around the area, Vancouver area, and I am looking for the different landmarks that have Taylor Swift songs and words on them. Okay, it's still bright outside and you can see all the lights. I'm so excited to be here. This is Vancouver, and I'm so lucky that Taylor is holding the last of her Eras Tour concert right here in my city. This is the Vancouver flyover at Canada Place, and I've had a lot of photos taken already beside structures that have words in Taylor Swift songs. So I'm so excited. Here we go. Okay, right behind me that's the Vancouver Convention Center. Everyone is already in line at the concert. It's night 2 of the Eras Tour, so everyone's so excited. I'm at the Pan Pacific Hotel in the area. Here with 2 lovely ladies. We're just enjoying the night. What do you love about Taylor Swift?
Everything.
Everything. Been a fan
Just like the whole aura of it. It's so happy. It's so cute.
Oh my God, it's so wholesome.
Yeah. Yes. It's a whole thing of girlhood. Yeah.
Yes. And we all can relate, right?
Oh, yeah. Definitely.
Well, I've been walking around. I think it's been an hour just going around and checking out the places, and I don't even feel hungry. I don't even feel thirsty. But I got a chocolate bar with me. I got a chocolate bar with me. I'm now on my way to Gastown. You know what? I am not a Swiftie. But what I can feel just talking to all these women, girls, and seeing all of them, it just makes me feel that you only need one person to actually bring them together and to actually inspire everyone to come together. And when you share the same passion, you all just are so positively influenced. So I am so happy to see all of these girls and even men and people of all genders and sexual orientation are just here to celebrate Taylor Swift's Eras Tour. Well, I'm in Gastown and I'm waiting for the clock to actually play Shake It Off. And so like they say every 5 minutes, every 10, every 15, every hour, but I will be here waiting. Okay, 5 minutes more, I think 5 or 6 minutes more, and the clock is going to play Shake It Off. Okay, I did it. I was actually here when the clock played Shake It Off, Take It Off, do-do-do. Well, everyone was excited and everyone was waiting. There were, I think, less than 100 people, and I am so happy to be here. I'm on my way to check out the other places that have Taylor Swift themed decorations. In the meantime, I'm gonna check out some Lee's Donuts. Yum, 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 yum. I just saw they have ube iced donut. Oh my god, it must taste so good. Ube iced. So this is Gastown, and Gastown is a tourist area. So you'll see lots of shops. Gastown is fully lit all year round. So it's always a good place. My daughter, she's a singer, she's a musician. She always performs here. So it's a very familiar place. So now I'm gonna go back to the SkyTrain and I'm gonna take the train to Yaletown because there's another Taylor Swift structure there. So I'm on my way. Oh yes. Lots of good ideas actually here for decorations. Okay, I'm at the West Coast Express station and look at this. All very Taylor Swift inspired. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. They're playing her songs everywhere. I'm not a Swiftie, but I see the power of Taylor Swift. Well, I have Taylor Swift glasses. Yeah. I got my Lee's Donuts, I have coffee, and I'm on my way to Yaletown. Oh my gosh, I was so excited. I actually took the wrong exit. I almost took the wrong train, but I'm now here. So yeah, I found my way. What excitement can do to you? It can make you forget things. Wow, this area is usually not filled with so many cars, but maybe because it's late at night and I'm usually here during the day. Oh wow, there is a Taylor Swift sign here and I'm gonna have my photo taken. Okay, I'm right here and I'm waiting in line to get my photo taken. Okay, I am in my last stop, at least for tonight. I had a lot of fun and now I'm gonna meet my daughter. We have a little date and oh, the spirit is just contagious. It's electrifying. It's just I'm just very proud to be in Vancouver because this is the Eras Tour last stop and I'm so excited. Well, I think I'm gonna wrap it up. Tonight was amazing. I was able to check out a few of the landmarks and talk to a few ladies who are just as excited as I am, and I can't wait to see what this video turns out to be. It was just all impromptu. Look at my hair, very impromptu. Everyone's just in Taylor Swift mood. Lots of music being played and they're all Taylor Swift music. I hope I got to share with you a little bit of downtown Vancouver, and this is my last stop. This is Yaletown. Well, it's been a great time. I'm so glad I actually went there. It's been a long day. I'm tired, but I'm so happy that I experienced it. Oh my gosh. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until I see you again, have a great night. Be safe. Enjoy the holiday season. Bye for now.